To browse the web and access websites directly from my Viewboard for Android, locate the Embed browser in the floating toolbar. The Embed browser is a light browser that can be used within the software. You can perform Google searches and go out to any website on the web. There are bookmarks on the homepage. If you want to know how to edit these bookmarks, go see the video on creating custom tiles on myviewboard.com. Navigate to any website that you would like to. Choose your content. And note that it's fully touchscreen so you can interact with most websites, assuming they support touch. If you want to make the browser bigger, touch the square icon in the bottom right. There's also a pen tool. When touched, gives you a few colors, allowing you to annotate on top of the website. I can also use the eraser to erase any of my annotations. If you want to take a screenshot, locate the camera button.